Hello, and welcome back to Wise Relation. Today we will be discussing 3 tips to make yourself pay attention. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to get more videos just like this. People often say that the best way to get something done is to give it your full attention. But what does that really mean? Often, the way to make yourself pay attention is by breaking the task down into smaller parts and focusing on one part at a time. This can be difficult, but if you approach tasks with a strategic plan and stick to it, you're more likely to achieve success. Number 1. How to properly motivate yourself to make yourself pay attention. It can be tough to get yourself motivated, especially when it comes to paying attention in class or focusing on a task. Here are a few tips to help you get started. Tip number 1. Start by setting realistic goals for yourself. Don't try to do too much at once or you'll end up frustrated. Tip number 2. Find a way to track your progress. This can be as simple as writing down what you accomplish each day or week. Tip number 3. Reward yourself for reaching your goals. This could be anything from taking a break to getting a treat after completing a task. Tip number 4. Make sure your environment is conducive to concentration. This might mean finding a quiet place to work or study, or removing distractions from your surroundings. Tip number 5. Take breaks when needed, but try not to overdo it. Number 2. Have a ritual to make yourself pay attention. In our constantly connected world, it's easy to become distracted. A lot of the time, we're not even aware of how much time we're spending on our phones or laptops until we see the battery life indicator start to dwindle. To combat this, many people have started using rituals to help themselves stay focused and present at the moment. One such ritual is the Pomodoro Technique, named for the tomato-shaped kitchen timer that inventor Francesco Cirillo used to track his work sessions in the 1980s. The Pomodoro Technique is a time management method where you break down your workday into 25-minute increments called Pomodoros. You work on one task for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 Pomodoros, you take a 15-minute break. Number 3. Practice self-talk and keep a journal to make yourself pay attention. Self-talk is defined as the thoughts we have about ourselves. These thoughts can be positive or negative, and they often affect our moods, behaviors, and even our physical health. Unfortunately, many of us are unaware of our self-talk, or we dismiss it as unimportant. But the truth is, our self-talk has a powerful impact on our lives. If you want to start paying more attention to your own thoughts, consider practicing self-talk and keeping a journal. Self-talk involves constantly monitoring your thoughts and identifying any negative self-talk. Once you've identified these thoughts, you can work on reframing them into positive statements. It may take some time to change your thinking patterns, but with practice, you'll start to see a difference in your moods and behaviors. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and be sure to turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss any videos just like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.